A massive silk cotton tree stands tall, its ancient roots gripping the earth as Nilu, a vibrant blue bird, perches high above. Below Tuktuki, the monkey swings playfully, his curious eyes scanning the forest floor. Sunlight dappling through leaves, the sky darkens, a fierce storm erupts. Wind howls, tearing at the tree. Nilu's nest crashes down. Tuktuki's playful demeanor vanishes, replaced by concern as he watches the storm's fury unfold. Amidst uprooted trees, Nilu surveys her destroyed nest, her ruffled feathers mirroring the storm's brutal aftermath. Tuktuki arrives, a small figure with a determined spirit, and begins gathering twigs with surprising care. With unexpected skill, Tuktuki diligently rebuilds Nilu's nest, weaving hope into every branch. Nilu watches her distress fading as Tuktuki's kindness kindles a delicate, strengthening bond. Months later, a parched forest. The stream bed is cracked, trees barren, despair etched on Nilu and Tuktuki's faces. Nilu soars, desperately searching for water under the unforgiving sun. Time blurs into a desperate struggle. Nilu returns, chirping wildly, pointing towards distant mountains. A small lake shimmers in their eyes. Tuktuki coaxes Nilu onto his back. Together, they begin their arduous journey, hope battling exhaustion.